Good morning, everyone. As we gather here on this day to study the great words of Oda, I ask that you listen with an open mind for every chapter and every episode that is dropped. A wise man once said, "You are my nakama." Yup. Now what does this mean? This means you are a crewmate. You are my friend. You are a companion. Yeah. Thank you. Yes. We must understand that in order to become Pirate King, we must find our nakama.
Right.
We must find our friends. So as we leave here this day, find 10 nakama. Help spread the word of One Piece.
Yup.
And the
Thank
word
you.
of Oda. Thank you.
Yes.
Peace be with you.
Yo, Marshall, what's good, bro?
Yo, what's going on, bro?
Man, life's been good, man. But listen, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, what's up, bro?
So do you watch anime at all?
I mean, when I was a kid, I used to love Dragon Ball Z, but that's pretty much it. I'm not really watching anything else.
Okay, word. Well, listen, I got a new one for you.
Wait, how many episodes is it? Because you know I'm busy as hell.
Bro, don't you worry about that, man. It's a little over 1,000 episodes.
1,000?
Bro, I mean, yeah, but...
Bro, nah, miss me with that. Listen, I need to live my life. I need to touch grass.
Like, bro, you don't even have to do all that. One Piece is an anime that you can watch at your own pace. Or even you can read the manga if you want.
Bro, how many chapters?
I mean, it's a little over 1,000 chapters.
Listen, nah, I'm good, man. I'm good.
Bro, where you going? Listen, hold on. It's really good.
Ed, I'm good. Hello?
Hello, we have noticed some suspicious activity on your bank account. Please.
Trying to scam me. Crazy. These scammers are persistent, man. Oh, hell nah. Go, man. Yo, stop calling.
Marshall, I've been trying to reach you, man. Where you been?
That?
Yes, it's me.
Is that you?
Yes.
Bro, what's wrong?
Listen, our joint bank account is being hacked as we speak.
What?
Yes.
Wait. What do we do?
Listen, man, I don't know. I'm trying to log in right now.
Okay.
I got a security question here. What's the initial of your middle name?
It's D.
Did you say D? What?
Yeah, bro, what's up?
Congratulations, you have the Will of D. For a limited time offer, 1 chapter or 1 episode per day, we can offer you the Pirate King's throne. With the Will of D, you can accomplish anything you want so long as you watch One Piece.
What the hell is that? That's not even my ringtone. What's happening? Like, hello? Who's knocking? Who's here? Nah, I don't like this. Hello? Hello? What the hell is going on? Everybody in this. Oh, nah. Ed? How the hell did... Have a seat. I'll explain everything.
So do you want to know where the One Piece is? No. I want to know how you got into my house. I'm about to call the police. Don't worry. I'll even turn myself in. But before I do, I need you to watch at least one episode of One Piece. You One Piece fans are freaking crazy, man. Just throw it on. Good. That was mid. You want me to watch 1,000 episodes of that garbage? Welcome, my Nakama. You're what? Get out of my house! Oh hell nah, man. This is getting ridiculous, man. Yo, Ace. You're busy. Guess I'm a gamer today, man. Let's see what I got down here, man. What? I never even bought this game. What the? You know what? I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm just gonna watch this stupid pirate cartoon anyway. I have nothing else better to do.
Yo, I've been saying Luffy, Brook, and Robin.
No, bro. I have no idea what you're talking about, man. Usopp is a top 3 straw hat right now. What are you talking about?
You said Usopp?
Yeah, you guys are crazy, man. Yo, hold on. I gotta go, guys. I gotta go.
All right, bro.
Man, I almost missed it. Come on, pick up, man. So, you're caught up? Yo. Listen, I've been trying to reach you for so long, man. There's so much I have to ask you. Listen, how strong is Shanks, man? Like, we need answers, man. Come on. Welcome to the One Piece community. Now tell someone else so we can all share in the same pain. Wait, why are you laughing? Hello?